Bro, no farmer for farm city. Now hot food there. For farm city, those girls, they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. And they tell you, say, how much for a night? He say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nature. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the girls, say, anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate Greece. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DGM, I go Total. I ask the girls, say, how much for a night? I say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say, nice. Bro, with accommodation, oh, that girl, oh, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, oh, and they fuck with respect. Mama, God. When you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K, cure down, 45,000, I remain 105. I put her for Bitcoin, it rise. Sense. God, now Lagos be this.